Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to play Resident Evil 4 on VR. First, make sure your VR headset is compatible and your PC meets the system requirements. Then, purchase and install the game from the Meta Quest store. Before starting, ensure your headset is charged and connected, and clear your play area for safety. This setup ensures a smooth and immersive experience. Once in the game, take time to understand the VR controls. You can customize locomotion, turning, and other comfort settings to suit your preference. Adjusting visual options can also enhance your experience and reduce motion sickness. Spend a few minutes in the tutorial area to get a feel for movement and interacting with objects, ensuring a comfortable start. Resident Evil 4 in VR offers unique gameplay mechanics. Use two-handed gripping for better weapon stability and aim. Physically ducking and dodging can help you avoid enemy attacks more effectively. Master the quick inventory system to manage your items efficiently. Remember to conserve ammunition and use melee attacks when enemies are stunned. To fully immerse yourself, interact with the detailed VR environment. Don't be afraid to experiment with various weapons and tactics to find what works best for you. Always be aware of your surroundings. Sound cues are crucial for anticipating enemies. Remember to take regular breaks to avoid fatigue and ensure a comfortable, enjoyable gaming session.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.